about to steal their dog. Like, what the fuck? I'm about to steal it. Can I just... These people right there. She's in there cooking. I really just want to take their dog right now. Like, what the... Okay, so you know those photos that I had to take yesterday? Well, guess what? I have to reshoot again. And guess who's not mad? Me. I'm not even mad. Whatever. Okay, I'll reshoot. Whatever. I'm gonna reshoot. Whatever. I don't care. I don't care. Don't care that I have to reshoot again. I'm in the right mood. I'm in the right energy, the right mind space. I'm at the supermarket. And I am going to get oil. As in like cooking oil, and that's why I'm gonna make my pictures 10 times better, because I'm gonna put the oil on the photos. I'm gonna put oil on my food. Ooh, coconut chips. I love coconut. Yeah, you can't tell me that my pictures aren't gonna be good. They're gonna be good. I'm gonna make them good. I won't stop. You can't stop me. I'm unstoppable. So you can say try again, try again, try again, and guess what? I'm gonna keep trying. I'm the perfect person to hire because I won't give up. Anyway, I mean, maybe somebody would have been like, this is shit, I'm done. I'm not gonna keep doing this. Like, why are you gonna tell me to do it again? But I'm eager, I'm excited. I don't mind. Like, I love shooting so much. I don't care. I'm like, yeah, sure, whatever. Actually, I'm not a bad photographer. It doesn't make me bad. It doesn't make me like, oh, I'm horrible. I'm never gonna do this thing again because I can't take a photo. It doesn't make me a bad. No, it's some technical stuff. Like, and I see what I needed to improve anyway. So I got it. I feel good. It's like, it's no way that I'm gonna fail this time. Yeah, it's just no way. I'm just gonna get it done and enjoy the rest of my day. So I'm looking for oil, and I don't know where oil. Like in America, it's Pam spray, and here they have like olive oil. But don't they have cooking spray? You know what I'm talking about? Like cooking spray, like to spray the pan or something. When I was younger, I used to model at middle school, and I was at this photography studio, and I was just sitting there in a dress, and my arms are like this, and they were just spraying Pam oil on me. I was like 12 years old. Because olive oil is too thick, so you can't use olive oil or baby oil for photos. You have to use the light cooking oil. I don't see it, but I'm not gonna like look for it forever. If they don't have it, then I'm still gonna make it work. I don't see oil, but wouldn't oil be with the sauces and everything else? Oh, look at this avocado. This avocado is fat. Is that an avocado? It is an avocado. Whoa. This is a fat avocado, man. Maybe it's avocado season. Yeah, oh, sorry, I didn't mean to throw you. I don't see freaking oil, man. I don't see oil. I think that's okay. I'm not gonna like look forever because I will use that as an excuse. Maybe I'll be like, oh, but I need to find oil, so I'm not gonna shoot. No, I think it would be fine. Oil is just like a enhancement. So after I shoot today, I will give myself 8 hours. I will literally shoot till nighttime. But I just feel like that's a bit unnecessary, so I'm gonna give myself and I think it's only gonna take me an hour. It just gets easier and easier. I don't see any oil. I don't know how to say oil in Laos. I get this. I get men's hairspray. I get men's gel for my hair. I didn't know what to use, and I didn't see women's gel, and men always do their hair with the gel stuff, and it works. Look at my hair. It's cute. It's okay. Look at her. I look cute. It's cute. My friend, she told me, she's like, you're leaving, Kobe? She's like, bye. I'm like, yeah. She's like, you look so pretty today. I was like, yeah, I'm going to take pictures. She's like, oh, I hope someone takes photos of you. I'm like, look, that's so sweet. That's so sweet. Yeah, I don't know where this freaking oil is, man. I'm just like walking around. I need to shoot. I need to be ready. I'm ready to shoot. This is my shooting time. The sun is good. Everything's good. I'm good. Life's good. Yo, I don't see any oil, man. Look, there's no oil in the whole store. There's like soybean oil, but that's not like the type of oil I need. I need the oil that you spray. Like the spray oil. I mean, I know that I'm not in America, yeah, but I mean, don't they have like an Asian spray? They don't have any type of spray oil. Let me find out if you have oil. Hi, do you? Okay. Do you have oil? Like spray oil? Hi, you speak English?
No.
Hi.
What for?
Cooking oil?
Cooking oil.
That you spray?
Oh,
spray?
coconut oil.
Is it spray?
Yeah.
Can I see?
It's
My favorites. The chestnuts. They're really good. I never had chestnuts before. I just always heard it on the Christmas songs. They're like, chestnuts roasting on the open fire. I don't see any, but whatever. That's really weird. Maybe it's just the supermarket. I don't know if maybe it's not a thing. Maybe they're like, what are you gonna buy oil for? You gotta put butter on it. Yeah, oh, look at the little doggy. It's so cute. Yeah, let me shoot because look at the sun. Do you see the sun? Yeah, it's like perfect prime time to shoot. Gotta go. Do you ever have a song where you're just like, it reminds you of a certain time or place? Like you hear the song and you be like, oh, I remember that time in my life. Like me, it changes. Like it's like my life is like a soundtrack. And so now I feel like that's the new song of this point in my life. In this city. Ah, shit, I almost fell. The roads have like this giant, well not giant, but it's literally the same size as the tire. It's like these cracks. And my tire fit perfectly in the crack. And I was trying to pedal and go, but my tire was like, no, I'm gonna just chill here in this crack right now. And so I almost flipped over and died because the freaking crack wouldn't let go of my bike. And the bike, I still was trying to go and I didn't comprehend that I was stuck in a crack. So like the bike was just trying to go left and right and the crack was still there. And I'm over here like flipping in the rain trying to stop. It was so freaking much. And I'm just like, look, bro, I'm not trying to fall. I have this stupid scar in my leg because I fell in the sewer. I fell inside of a sewer. Like the sewer here, like I was walking and I didn't pay attention because actually I was looking at how beautiful the sky was. Like I was literally stopping to smell the roses. Like the sky was so beautiful and I couldn't believe it. I'm like, damn, life is so freaking beautiful. And I'm like over here looking at the sky, how beautiful life is. And I fell in the sewer, and then my leg got caught in the sewer, and it like ripped my leg open. I was okay, it's just a scar. It's not like I broke my leg, it went through my leg or nothing like that. Not to sound super dramatic, but that's what happened. And so my leg is still like scarred. Actually, it's gonna go away, but it just takes, my skin is weird. It takes a long time for stuff to go away. Does your skin take a long time for stuff to go away? I don't know. But I don't like all this. I don't want to look beat up like I just came out of a freaking boxing match or something. Like, so I was like, shit, I was so like, I don't want to fall, man. Like, I thought I was going to flip over on the bike, but I didn't. Anyway, I'm trying to figure out where I'm going. I forget where the restaurant. This is a really brilliant idea. Why aren't all sandwiches on donuts? They should all be on donuts. They shouldn't be on bread. It should just be on donuts. If I was president of the United States, all sandwiches would be required to be on a donut. I think that it would make people happier and our life would be much better. Okay, bye. I'm super pumped. I'm ready. It's the same girl. They already know me. It's no problem. I'm about to mess it up. I'm about to mess up this whole floor. Let me get my sauces together. Sorry, I'm not gonna record this because I need to just focus to get it done. Okay, I'm just saying, I'm super excited. Oh, can you see my shadow? Look at me. I look 12. Anyway, okay, bye.
Make a wish. Yeah. So I will go tonight.
Yeah, okay. With the flowers.
Yes. Stay for 3 months.
Yeah, the length period they stay in the temple.
So this time is finished. Then,
So they go out.
They go
so
out.
for 3 months they don't go out to the temple.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's supposed to be, the farmers are supposed to be farming and the paddy field. They don't want to harm that, so they stay.
Yes. So this 3 months, no marriage, no.
Yeah, no marriage ceremony. Nothing,
Nothing.
Yeah.
Can I have your camera?
I don't like that. I feel like it's gonna fall on me again.
หน่อยนะเป้ยแม่นบอกผู้สาวจะอะไรจะโปละของหลังของเท่าก็คือตัวหนึ่งเมียเดียวนะตัวตำเจียวเมียยิบสิตาช่วยกันหาช่วยกันหามช่วยกันแบกช่วยกันอาศัยซึ่งกันและกันได้พี่น้องของเขาผัวกะหาเมียกะหาพ่อกะหาเมียกะหาลูกก็เป็นเบาถือตะกุนเป็นผู้ที่พอทีแม่นี่จะหมอบโอนวรรกสับสนวัดให้สั่งแต่คนจิ้มหายร้อยบ่ให้แก่วงตระกุลแต่สั่นคนที่เป็นลูกนี่คนที่จะบ่สร้างความรักอกรักใจให้พ่อให้แม่โดยเฉพาะจะสิเป็นหลอกเด้อหลอกในที่นี่คือปอกหลอกเอาทรัพย์สมบัติของพ่อของแม่ปอกหลอกเป็นให้พ่อแม่เสียทรัพย์เสียชื่อเสียเสียง
made this.